Hello. Do you require all the analysis you need to achieve the very highest marks when exploring Climbing My Grandfather by Andrew Waterhouse, but haven't got hours to waste doing it? Well, look no further. The aim of this video is to provide you with all the information you require to achieve the very highest marks when using this poem in your writing. So without further ado, let's begin. So essentially, the speaker is climbing up his grandfather, describing him from foot to head as he continues to climb. And there is clearly a playful tone throughout the poem with a clear sense of admiration also on show. In terms of our form, well, the possessive pronoun my indicates the possessive nature of the speaker towards the grandparent. The dramatic monologue structure helps the reader to engage with the view of that speaker. Structurally, the use of the single stanza reflects the close connection of grandparent and child. Using the extended mountain metaphor to describe the grandfather helps us cement him as a strong, proud, natural phenomenon. Linguistically, without rope or net highlights a sense of safety a child feels with their grandfather. Still firm highlights the power and strength of the grandfather. Consider the poem The Follower in this instance. The simile, like warm ice, highlights the calming nature of the figure for the child. And good heart is obviously a clear indication of the positive viewpoint of the child towards the grandparent. So there's a great selection of analysis that you could be including in your poem. Now you need to make sure that when you're analysing it, you are using this information. So thank you and good luck.